Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I drew the Pisces symbol using dip powders and gel polish. So let's get right into the video. So I apply my Cherael bond to dehydrate my nail. If you don't have any bond, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone, they both do the same thing. Now I apply 3 layers of clear dip powder to build the nail. So I applied base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nail and also to protect my natural nail from the color. This is also an optional step. So I'm using my Pro Dip white dip powder that I mixed with some diamond dust glitter, and I did a few layers but I only showed 3 layers. Then I encapsulated the nail with a few layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer. Now I applied activator, waited for the nail to harden, and then began filing. This is after filing of the nail. Now I apply my Model 1's top coat and cure for 30 seconds. So I'm using my Model 1's black gel polish and my Macart detail brush. I'm going to be doing some nail art and I'll be drawing 2 fishes, which is the Pisces symbol. This is my inspiration right here. So I didn't know where to start, and that's where I messed up, to be honest, because I just started. I didn't have a plan at all. I went with the flow and the flow led me the wrong way. But let's go with the flow for now, okay? So I started on the tail end because I just wasn't getting it right from the head area of the fish. So I kept going and the fish was looking like a fish and I really liked it. When using gel polish to do nail art, it's a bit difficult because it isn't as pigmented as gel paint would be, and I'm constantly having to go over the same area with the gel polish. I'm considering investing in some gel paint just to practice more. Don't get me wrong, gel polishes are great to use, but since I want to get better, I'd like to have options, so I'll do that, and let me know what you guys think of my drawing as well. Then I cured the design for 30 seconds when I was finished. So it was time to do the other fish and the thing could not fit. See why you need to plan? all that hard work and it couldn't fit. But I tried, y'all. I really tried for this to fit, but it just was not looking good. I wanted to leave just one fish, but that's not the zodiac sign. Y'all, Pisces are really difficult. That's probably why it gave me so much trouble. Let me know who is a Pisces in the comments below. So I had to remove the best fish I ever drew and start over. Now this time I had a plan, so I marked out my thumb in the middle vertically and horizontally by putting some gel polish on the tip of the nail and the side of the nail. I hope you all can see it. It's a good thing I had that other clip of the fish because this whole clip was blurry. So this fish wasn't as impressive, but you can tell it's a fish. I actually asked my dad what it was and he said 2 sharks. I mean, he was really close compared to what he said about my goat nail when I did Capricorn. So I'm only to assume the reason he said shark is because my fishes were a tad bit aggressive looking. My drawing needs to be a little more softer, maybe. Yes, no? Let me know in the comments. So with the gel polish, I had to do 2 layers since it can be very thin. So off camera I went over the fishes again and cured. Now using my Mother Wand's blue gel polish, I did the Pisces sign and cured. I did another layer off camera and cured as well. Then I top coated and cured for 30 seconds. When the nail cooled down, I applied my cuticle oil. Well, if you all reached this far, I'm shocked. So a few days later, I thought to myself, this design looks incomplete. So I decided to mix some of my Mother Wand's blue and grey gel polish together and I painted the fishes. Then I cured for 30 seconds. Then I outlined the fishes with some black gel polish again and cured. Then I top coated the nail. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.